Duranyi lava na la Biafra. Onye ndu Duranyi lava zie. Duranyi lava na la Biafra. Fellow Biafrans, I'm so excited, and I want to appreciate Biafrans for actually holding on and seeing the truth that Onye ndu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike ndị Igbo niile is the undisputed supreme leader of Biafran people. The king. The time where I'm here is almost 2 a.m. And I'm excited that Biafrans are seeing the move of God and they are returning home to where they should belong. One dastardly rejected, useless woman called Ngozi Fulani thought she could destroy Biafra, but she failed woefully. She failed woefully. Who are you? The joy in my heart, like the joy in the heart of Christ, cared and concerned Biafrans. We are coming. And my beloved brother, Remy Jews, and those cared and concerned Bunandegede, Adadioramma, Pastor Vam Vam Vam, and Adandim Bunandegede, Adadioramma, and my beloved brother, Remy Jews, and those cared and concerned Biafrans. We are coming to give Ngozi Fulani the final illusion. I You think you can destroy the house of God? If you are gone. Now I see Biafrans celebrating. And today, just like I stood and I was celebrating, my beloved sister, Warri sister, Warri sister. Clara Dims, I want to come and celebrate you today. Clara Dims say, return. God is leading you to hell. My beloved sister, mouthpiece of the gods, you know I love you so much. I want to celebrate you, mouthpiece, mouthpiece. It is not because...
Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Happy weekend to you all. I just want to react on this video that this guy made. I don't know, late hour, different time. So I happened to, I stopped on that video simply because I was opportuned. Not that I care or follow what he's saying, but first and first, like this video, subscribe to the channel, because it is very good that you do that. I know the game that people like this guy is playing. I understand this game very, very, very well. Isn't that everybody have right to say whatever they want to say or believe what they want to believe? But what I hear so much is lie. I mean, trying to do all you can turn around, 360 degree because you want to grab something, and you can deceive those that you want to deceive to hold on something. I don't want to start talking about what happened on how, this issue of falling back and not falling back. This is the same guy who were there in Finland when Biafra was declared. He was dancing, jubilating, singing praises of COS and everybody. They were all happy. As usual, somebody have to approach him and tell him what he don't know or what he want to know. He started to talk about falling back and all that. We know all those things that is. You celebrate somebody that fall back. Oh, Biafrans are falling back. Oh, they should come to where they belong. Oh, they are here. All this nonsense is very, very laughable. Very laughable because some of them are so gullible. You actually believe that people believe or supposedly whoever they're supporting now because somehow of what they're saying, or maybe somehow because you are vam, whatever you say stand, that is what it should be. It doesn't work that way. Biafrans support whoever they're supporting for one fact, which is truth, that this is people that support Ogege actually believe that he is the right thing, like that he's saying the truth. Funny enough, they don't know how to differentiate truth and deception. Like people try to deceive you using all manner of tactics to deceive one another. Some of you will come to my video and you'll be like, yeah, you say you are not fighting for Biafra. You say you are not in support of any, you are not in the part of group that you are doing content. Why are you criticizing this person? Why are you criticizing that? The answer is simple. I have watched the whole thing for years. Then I know what they said last year, last month, last week, yesterday. I compared what you are saying now. That will give me a very clear picture of who you are and what you represent. And that thing that you say you are pursuing, for you to bring some things that I know that anybody that have that thing is not pursuing for that thing, is not good for that thing. Just like you. You tell me, if you say that you want to be a pilot, and you are in the school, you are studying medicine, and you want me to believe and have hope that you are in future you become a pilot. I know already with the course you're studying that anybody that is this department, this faculty, will end up being a doctor. Do you understand what I'm saying? For example, you want to be the fastest man in the world, but you are training with people who are jumping, like who are gymnastic, or who want to be a boxer. You want to run, you want to beat the record of Usain Bolt. You want to be the fastest man in the world. Instead of you to be training as somebody who want to, be the fastest man in the world, maybe you want to be the record of 1,000, meter race, something like that, or 1,500 meter race, something like that, or marathon. But you every now and then I see you training as a boxer. You want to be a boxer or a footballer, but you want me to have hope that you end up being the fastest man in the world. Or, for example, you want to be, a weightlifter. You want to be a weightlifter, but every now and then you are training with people who are trying to be a model. How catwalking. You can't be a weightlifter by catwalking, by feeding yourself like a model, watching your weight, checking your how fat. You don't want to eat any fat food. You are very careful about your weight. Yet you want me to believe that you end up become a weightlifter. You can't say you're a freedom fighter by lying. It doesn't work that way. It's a simple thing. You cannot be that. So I don't need to be in the cabinet or in any government for me to see through that nonsense they are talking about. For you to come up with this joy, that's camouflage. It simply means that something is eating you up. Pretency is one of the things that people who are liars, who are doing all this nonsense, that's their trademark. They always design a way to pretend and act as if they are non-important. This is mind game. Mind game. Now hear him again, because I don't have to play all this nonsense. Listen.
I want you to come to Briggy because you already belong to Briggy. It's because I don't want your soul to perish.
There you go. That he's doing this video now because he wants to come forth back to Briggy. But you are celebrating that Biafrans are none with you. I don't know the part because I'm just skipping the video. There's a part where he said that only today alone that he have more than 50 subscribers, returning subscribers, more than 50. And you are here celebrating that. The question is, since you have people that is returning, okay, keep on doing what you are doing. Don't campaign. Your good work is now bringing people back. And that brings me to women, all these our women in Briggy, in USB, anywhere you belong. Some of you have one character that I hate so much. Some of you, women know themselves. They love to tear themselves apart. That's the only thing that I'm seeing in USB that will be that's somehow challenging. A lot of women are in the cabinet. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that some of the women, many women are in the cabinet of USB, and some of them surround CS. Women know how to tear themselves apart, and those gangsters we are going to capitalize on that. Believe you me, they will capitalize on that. They will start calling them. In fact, I know they are already in contact with them, because when you listen to some of them, the way they talk, you know that these people have double minds in terms of, not because the bringing is the best way. No, but as long as they are not allowed to do that they want to do, and they see another woman doing that, another person, another woman doing the same thing, that will trigger their anger, and they'll begin to yap nonsense. Personally, I don't rely on anybody, be you a man or a woman, because I've come to a realization that many of us here on social media, many of Igbo people, we have this character that is not good. We always want to see how we can manipulate our brothers, how we can cheat ourselves. This guy understand that very well. So if you're a member, if you're a woman in the cabinet, or if you are following, you have number of CS, you are in touch with CS, you are in touch, you are in anywhere serving USB government, or trying to present yourself as someone who care about Igbo people, about freedom, about anything, you should be careful. Everything must not be the way you want. Sometimes your work speaks for you. You don't need to start scratching everywhere to see reasons to check. Oh, this thing that I said now, this that I'm doing now, I'm not aware. Nobody appreciate me. Nobody appreciate. Don't do something because you want people to appreciate you. If you are tired, you say you are tired, then you just honorably leave. Don't drag anybody and start creating sin. For example, today, why is Socha is typical example of that. It's all about what she want to, that she want to gain, because to her everything is profit. How to make profit, and she's not alone. Her own is to this extent because of her level of education and reasoning. Some of you that are, you are up there in terms of academically, you are sound, but that does not change this your Igbo woman attitude in you, because you keep on looking for a way to compare yourself with the CS, to compare yourself with other friends, to compare yourself with Pharmacy Diner. All of you, how you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know the person that this guy is called I don't know the woman that he called Warri sister. I don't know who the person is. That honestly, I don't know that person. And do I care? No, I don't care, because the issue is this: I am not saying what I'm saying because I want to pain anybody. When I started following, listening to PM, Mazangano was not the one that made me to follow PM. I have already followed PM before he recommended PM to Biafrans. Before that recommendation, I have started following PM. I watched him I think when he was at 300 subscribers, 200 thereabout. That early stage, he's not up to 1,000 subscribers. That was when I started following him. We are here until he hit almost 80,000 subscribers before the YT decided to do their business, with that account. That brings me to what I'm saying. You cannot, like, if this guy actually know what he's doing, he wouldn't have been here celebrating that Warri sister returned to him. Check the weight of Warri sister and the weight of Adoko when she returned. You guys almost used you celebrated with gunshots. You were celebrating. Did we hear word that week? No. I don't know who is here. I don't know who is here. He's in control of California. California is more bigger, more populated than Nigeria. California is this and that. Oh, she's in charge. What happened? This is to tell you that it's not about who fall back and who fall front. It is not. The truth of the matter is that it's all about what you can do, what you can offer. That's all. Nobody will fall back now to make me feel like, okay, should I fall? No, until You provide that thing that will make me to. And I believe that is any genuine person, any genuine Igbo Biafran understand what I'm saying. Some of these South people falling back and falling forward, they are doing that because of their own personal reasons. Just like some of these you, Igbo Biafrans, are doing what you are doing because of your personal reason also. It's not about your personal reason. My reason to criticize, fall back, is because I know that is just a kind of cabal, building cabal and gangsterism, trying to create an avenue that is stable for you and your agenda. Without it, there's no other thing. What is it that you think that you are doing now that will make other people to say, okay, truly this guy is out for something? Nothing. Nothing. Hear this guy, the way even his facial expression and everything, you will know that naturally, apart from different issue, this guy is have a questionable character. Honestly, I'm telling you from depth of my heart, his look, his facial expression while talking to people, when he trying to convince or trying to play angry, or to play that you are angry, your facial expression shows that you would have been one of those that are using automopo to send people to judgment. If you happen to spend your life in the village as a village man, it would have been deadly because you don't have soul. The way you talk, I'm being people may not see this, but I'm seeing through that. Your eyes, ball, the way you rotate your eyes, the way you move your face is somehow deadly. You are this kind of people that your children, not in the village, you have some people that the children are not performing fine. And instead of the man or the parents to do something to help his family or his children, he choose to devote time doing automopo to make sure that other people's family, other people's children will not get close to their own children without having anything. Just imagine somebody who your child cannot even boast of 500,000 naira, and you are doing charm that nobody should be richer than your child, meaning that people should have below 500,000. That is what this is. The people like this guy, they are like that. Hear him again.
I don't want your soul to perish. I saw in my YouTube, just today alone, alone in my YouTube today, more than 50 returning subscribers in a day. More than 50. Just in one day. Today.
When those 50 disappear, according to judging by your statement, did you make any video like this and say that you lost 50 people just in a day? That's not. You are saying it now because you want to use that to buy favor. But let me tell you, in case you don't know how YouTube works, if I want to have 100,000 subscribers here, it's affordable. It is possible. But if you want to build your platform organically, you have to do it the way I'm doing it. No, but don't use because of subscriber and begin to buy yourself. Subscribers is that you should be proud of is this organic one. That truly people listen to you and they want to listen to you the more. They come to your video, they watch you. You have to be grateful to that. It's not only Biafran issue that you start talking before you have followers. You can change an inch. You can open a platform and begin to say other things. People who like that kind of thing, they watch you and follow you. That's life. But these people, they know that you are stupid. You're not you. I don't know who you are watching this, but they know that some of us are stupid. That's just the fact. They know that some of us are gullible. They can't dictate anything. That's why they use AI. Imagine everybody in USB, only one person they could single out. Ezenago is such in France. Ezenago, who cannot even differentiate between real voice and AI. She don't know that, and they use one-time message in WhatsApp. Like our brother actually remind me of that in our previous broadcast. Our brother Triple M. I know you're gonna watch the video, my brother. I want you to comment on this video and tell me that what I said is true. You've informed me on the live broadcast that how they pass AI voice note of PM, the AI generated voice, is through WhatsApp. That was why you cannot send it to anybody. She don't have access to that voice note. What they did is record a short clip, few seconds, not a minute, few seconds, and send it to her using this one time message. You know, when you send a WhatsApp message, it like if I want to send my picture to you, then I don't want to save it. I will send it in a kind of it will just appear like an icon, something like that. Once you tap it, you see the picture. Then you cannot save it. The only thing you could do is screenshot. But audio, you can't screenshot audio, you can't download it, you can't replay it back because it's meant for one time. One time. Once you listen to that, when they send it to her, that one time she was not convinced, she was a kind of battling within herself. Then they have to come out manually to tell her, look, oh, they send you audio, you are still sleeping. Come out and do what PM said. Who did that? Sonny Aparawa. These are people who want you to believe that falling back is the best, that they are in charge of everything. And this one is here celebrating. One thing you need to understand that, yes, some of us are impatient. Some of us don't understand what US is going through. Some of us don't understand the challenge that USB is facing. I'm saying this just for you to know the real truth, nothing but the truth. I'm not here to defend anybody, but I'm telling you the way it is. Does it mean that Ogenkere and the fallback group are terrorists? The answer is no. Does it mean that that all of them are criminal? The answer is no. Some of them are. You understand? My own is to tell you the truth. If you like, you believe, you don't like. DOS, many of their members are with Briggy. I'm not here to tell you that they should not come back. No. But any DOS member that come back to join Biafran government or Briggy, anybody at all, for you to know those that are genuine, they will not add their voice to separate or to divide anything. They should remember where they are coming from and maintain peace. But if you see those ones that are vocal, like Helen Peters, and Kiru, and Eunice Bibi, this, and of course I don't know about Betty Ford, but be you who you know yourself. All of them on social media acting as if they're media warrior today. They are here to do the bidding of DS, to do one thing, destroy, in order to get back at PM. To them, one of the reasons why DS are fighting hard, using them now to do what they're doing, is because PM made it clear that he will destroy them, that he said, I will be your end. That statement is the reason why they are fighting tooth and nail to end PM and end Biafra movement. To prove what I don't know. Selling themselves, and this guy is one of them. He keep on flip-flopping, jumping from DOS and come back, DOS and come back. That is what he's doing. The annoying part is this idea of lying, pretending that nothing has happened and not at all.
What's that the name of Uche's surname?
I don't know why he always cough. Always, every now and then, every year, cough and flu. Anyway, I don't want to go through all this nonsense. I just want to tell you that when you see a video like this, shine your eyes. Something is fishy. They are doing all they can to remain relevant. That's all, nothing more. They're not giving you Biafra. If you think they're giving you Biafra, go and watch why she fell back to them. Now she's running back. We are coming back to react to a video that we may help you to understand the role of why Isocha and what she's doing. For some of you who say they want to talk about her, I don't want this. Not if you check this video, you don't like it, you don't feel that it's okay for you because I'm talking about what I know that is true, that will help those who cannot understand what they're playing out. And because you yourself, you understand it, you think that it's a waste of time. It's not a waste of time. Those who understand it will understand it. Those who will criticize will criticize. But whatever you want to do about it, whether you were in or not, I'm begging you to like this video so that it will get to those who care to hear, those who want to learn from it. Do not join or feel agitated simply because of people like this. He's doing the job that they told him to do. Remember who he is. Anyway, please like the video, like I said, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far. God bless you. I'll see you again. Happy weekend to you all.